Hey guys, I'm going to do a super quick video and go over what gear I've got so far. I know there's a couple tweaks that I've got left over for this, but just to give you guys an idea of what I'm going to do. I've got my poles. These are my crampons. I've got a 10 below bag, but I'm also bringing a liner, just a cheap liner, just in case it's just crazy cold. I'm doing my REI Cirrus sleeping pad, and it does have an R value of 2.8, so that should give me a little bit of warmth. I've got our first aid kit. I am going to bring our saw, a knife, a little bit of extra rope. This is just a piece of Tyvek that I throw on the ground so I can set all my stuff out on it. It's not just on the ground. If you've ever backpacked with me before, you know that I bring this. It's a windshield screen sun protector, and I use it for everything. I sit on it, I lay on it, I put it under me at night. My Body Glide for anti-chafing, deodorant, toothbrush, toilet paper, the spork or the shovel, a couple of wet wipes. This is my luxury item this time. I am going to bring some hot hands, just some warmers, not only for us, but for some of my camera gear too. My fire starting kit, I'm going to get this guy laminated, and then of course my compass and the ring that the map will attach to. My flashlight, my bear spray. This is the Sawyer Squeeze with 3 32-ounce bags in it. I did decide to go with my tiny little propane grill. So bringing up a can of propane in the windshield, and then of course my titanium, Toke's titanium pot. I'm going to bring my 2 Algene bottles. I drink coffee and stuff out of this in the morning, so I always bring this, and it's got some tape wrapped around it for just in case. And this is just handy to have if we want to try to measure stuff out or dip up water, because it is big mouthed. And then one other part of my sleeping system is a pillow. My food so far, I've got a couple things I need to add to this, but I'm doing breakfast. I've taken them actually out of the pack. These are both Mountain Houses. One is like the eggs and bacon, and the other is biscuits and gravy, but just to kind of condense it down. And then I've got the bag actually in there just so I can use that to heat it up. My morning coffee, and I'll do maybe 2 of these. Some additives to go into water just to freshen some water up and give you some sugar. I'm going to do a beef stroganoff. I'm going to do a chili mac, some snacks. My lunch will probably, I know we need 2 lunches. I'll probably do something else, but this is a tuna fish kit. I'll do this and like a, something like that, and that's plenty for me. And then again, I've got my sleeping bag. I've got my backpack, but I also have my rain cover too, which I have covered, or which I've sprayed down. And then I've got 2, I probably won't use them both. My backpack does have a waterproof compression bag, but these are both waterproof bags too, and I'll probably put the majority of this stuff in that and then put it into my backpack. So if we just get soaking wet, my stuff won't be completely ruined. And then so far, I think what I'm going to be bringing is the this 2-man tent, which I have done all the seam sealing on it to make sure that it doesn't leak, or it hopefully doesn't leak for sure. So we're ready to go. We're all going to die. That's okay. I think we're going to be good to go. But it's going to be cold as shit. So wanted to put this out there and at least let you guys see what gear I've got. And we'll talk again tomorrow.